All right, guys, let's carry on with alcohol tutorial question 1 of the MCQ, which is the product form when compound Y, right, is distilled with dichromate in D2SO4. Okay, so the difference here is that you have deuterium instead of the normal hydrogen in your sulfuric acid. Okay, so we got to take note if we end up with an acidic functional group, right? We got to maybe change the H for a D. Okay, so if you look at compound Y, you have a primary alcohol and two secondary alcohol. The tertiary alcohol here, right, cannot be oxidized. Okay, so and also alcohol is not really acidic. Probably will see the OH still present as H. And okay, the next thing is that if you distill with dichromate under distillation, so you should end up with a neutral aldehyde, but you cannot increase the number of carbon. Here there is 2 carbon. Okay, there's only 1 carbon in the original, so this option C seems to be more correct. We will not get carboxylic acid, so D is out. Yeah, so we don't even have to go to the secondary, but secondary both B and C are correct. Okay, so for all 3 parts, option C correct answer.